So thank you again for watching our channel. This is step 2, if you will, as we unbox our Heat Press Nation CraftPro 15 by 15. We moved to the location, or at least where we'll be doing the printing of the shirts temporarily until things perhaps outgrow this space. But just have a very basic table that's foldable. Again, that maybe perhaps if there's an opportunity to go and do some mobile heat pressing, I can take this with me. But I've got the table set up going left to right along a wall here in the room, and I've already got it plugged in. So what we're going to do now is just showcase a couple of the different features that are on the CraftPro 15 by 15. A very ergonomic handle for reduction of fatigue. So very simply, just lift it up as need be. There's a handle underneath that will allow the base to slide out as need be. We've got a really nice pad here that fits very comfortably on the bottom base of it all. So we're going to slide this back right here. No, the paper wasn't there. I just kind of took the book and put it in there temporarily while I was moving it back. So it slides in very comfortably, right here. We're going to close this back down. I think this goes without saying. This will help to either tighten or loosen the pressure there, on and off button. Obviously, the lights are lit up, so that's a positive thing, so we have power. I'm going to turn it off right now, just because I'm not quite ready yet to do any type of printing just yet. I'm going to take the moment and just turn around the heat press so that you can actually see what the numbers will look like once they are lit up. So let's turn it on again. So the top numbers are lit up very good so that you can actually see the heat. The bottom numbers obviously are the countdown to the actual 19, 18, 17, just the number of seconds that are needed in order to arrive at the particular temperature that is at the top. All right, so if need be, I can hold the top arrow to increase the heat temperature. All right, and so that lets me know that we have arrived at 70 degrees for this particular heat press. All right, but because we're not ready yet to do any type of heat pressing, we'll perhaps save that for another time as we seek to maybe showcase the very first heat press compression. But again, nice, well lit up, very legible caution hot surfaces sign there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Turn it off. I'm going to close this down now and let this rest here. But very compact. I can see that it can be very versatile, but at the same time, it is quite heavy. So it wouldn't be something that you would want to always constantly be moving, I can tell, but certainly something that once you've got it in a very secure, safe location, it could perhaps do wonders for you. So thank you again. As always, please, if you don't mind, leave a comment below. Let me know your experiences, particularly with dealing with the 15 by 15. Maybe you're using Heat Press Nation, maybe you're not. Maybe you're using a different brand. Maybe you decided to just, go to a different route, something larger, maybe even something smaller. But also, press that subscribe button. We'd love to have your support. It means a lot. But also, check out our efforts online at robinsonexcel.com. We'll either put a link up here or down there. Thank you so much. Talk to you real soon. Peace.